Transform your dull and dirty razor blades into brand new ones in just 3 seconds. Our patented carbon pad features a randomly patterned surface for dull, deep cleansing. Experience a flawless shave every day with blades that feel as fresh and sharp as new. Say goodbye to cuts, high costs, and environmental pollution with our razor blade cleaner. Slide your way to the revolution. GALLINE Carbon Pad 1.0. Dull blades can't give you a smooth shave and may cause cuts or skin irritation. Keep your razor blade sharp and clean with GALLINE Pad. Just apply soap or shaving foam and slide the razor blade from bottom to top, repeating 5 to 10 times. Crafted from innovative EPG material, make your razor blades last longer with GALLINE Carbon Pad 1.0. GALLINE Pad ensures a thorough cleanse with its unique surface design, offering higher friction to prevent razor slippage. Featuring ample width and an open design on both sides, it provides added safety during use, unlike other razor cleansers. Designed for optimal comfort, it boasts reduced weight, thickness, and width for easy handling. GALLINE Pad is compatible with all types of razors, including women's and safety razors. Extend your blade lifespan with proper cleaning and give the whole family the best shaving experience possible. Cartridge razor blades aren't recyclable, since they're made of plastic and metal. Every year, over 2 billion cartridge and replacements or disposable razors are discarded in the United States alone. GALLINE Pad can significantly reduce razor blade usage and waste. With our semi-permanent device packaged in eco-friendly materials, you can protect the environment and save costs simultaneously. Slide your way to the revolution with GALLINE Carbon Pad 1.0.